Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at IC Markets and what makes it stand out as a top choice for traders worldwide. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. IC Markets is one of the world's leading online Forex and CFD brokers. Founded in 2007 and headquartered in Sydney, Australia, IC Markets has built its reputation on providing true ECN connectivity, ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips, and lightning-fast execution speeds. Regulated by respected authorities like the ASIC, IC Markets combines strict compliance with institutional-grade liquidity, giving traders a safe and transparent environment. Today, they serve clients in more than 200 countries, offering access to over 2,100 tradable instruments on powerful platforms. Whether you're a beginner or a professional trader, IC Markets positions itself as a broker built to support every trading style, from scalping and algorithmic strategies to long-term investing. IC Markets offers traders access to a broad range of global markets, all from a single broker. In Forex, there are more than 61 currency pairs, with spreads starting from 0.0 pips and leverage up to 1 to 500. Traders can also access 25 global indices, commission-free, available 24/5, with spreads starting from 0.4 pips. Commodities are well covered too, with more than 20 energy, agriculture, and metal products in both spot and futures form, all with flexible pricing and high leverage. For stock traders, IC Markets provides over 2,100 large-cap shares from the ASX, NASDAQ, and New York Stock Exchange on MetaTrader 5, with dividend access and a leverage up to 1 to 20. There are also 9 major government bond CFDs, commission-free with leverage up to 1 to 200. Crypto traders can take advantage of 21 popular digital assets, traded 24/7, with a leverage up to 1 to 200 on MetaTrader 4 and 5. Or up to 1 to 5 on CTrader and TradingView. And finally, for futures traders, IC Markets offers 4 global futures CFDs on MetaTrader 4, with no commissions and deep liquidity. Altogether, the broker provides a wide choice of instruments, giving traders flexibility and access to opportunities in every market. IC Markets operates with strong regulatory oversight, ensuring traders have both confidence and protection when they trade. The broker is licensed by the ASIC in Australia, ASIC in Cyprus, and the FSA in Seychelles, covering clients across multiple regions worldwide. These regulators enforce strict standards, from transparent operations to risk management and fair dealing. Client funds are always held in segregated accounts with top-tier banks, meaning they are never used for company operations. IC Markets also enforces negative balance protection, conducts regular independent audits, and complies with strict AML and KYC procedures to safeguard its clients. Altogether, this multi-layered regulatory framework and security focus ensures IC Markets delivers a safe, transparent, and compliant trading environment used by traders across the globe. The broker currently doesn't offer deposit or welcome bonuses for new clients. Instead, the broker focuses on rewarding high-volume traders through its Raw Trader Plus program, depending on the number of lots traded in a calendar month. Clients can receive tiered commission rebates ranging from $1.50 up to $2.50 per lot. In addition to rebates, Raw Trader Plus members can access perks like optional VPS hosting for faster execution and a dedicated client relations team to assist with account and trading needs. While traditional deposit bonuses aren't available, IC Markets ensures active traders are still rewarded with practical benefits that enhance their trading experience. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of trading platforms to cater to various trader preferences and strategies. At the core are the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, renowned for their user-friendly interfaces, advanced charting tools, and robust algorithmic trading capabilities. These platforms provide access to a wide range of markets, with spreads starting from 0.0 pips and leverage up to 1 to 500. For traders seeking a more modern and intuitive interface, CTrader is also available, offering features like one-click trading, advanced order types, and an integrated economic calendar. Additionally, IC Markets provides TradingView integration via CTrader, enabling traders to leverage TradingView's advanced charting and analysis tools within their trading environment. All platforms are accessible across multiple devices, including desktop, web, and mobile, ensuring that traders can manage their accounts and execute trades anytime, anywhere. The broker also offers IC Social, a mobile social trading platform that allows traders to follow and copy the strategies of successful traders in real time. The app provides full transparency, showing the performance history, risk profile, and trading style of signal providers, so users can make informed decisions. Available on both iOS and Android, IC Social makes it easy for beginners and experienced traders alike to engage with the markets, replicate trades, and learn from top-performing traders directly from their mobile devices. IC Markets offers ZuluTrade, a leading social trading platform that connects traders with a global community of signal providers. Through ZuluTrade, you can follow and copy the strategies of over 100,000 traders from 192 countries, all directly within your IC Markets account. The platform features advanced tools like ZuluRank, which evaluates signal providers based on performance and risk metrics, as well as ZuluGuard, an account protection feature that monitors and safeguards your investments. Whether you're new to trading or looking to diversify your strategies, ZuluTrade provides a transparent and user-friendly environment to enhance your trading experience. The broker offers 3 main account types designed to suit different trading styles and experience levels. Their standard account is ideal for beginners, providing commission-free trading with spreads starting from 0.8 pips on MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. For more active traders, the Raw Spread account delivers ultra-tight spreads from 0.0 pips with a small commission, making it perfect for scalping and algorithmic strategies. Those who prefer the CTrader platform can use the CTrader Raw Spread account, which also offers spreads from 0.0 pips with a $3 per lot commission and integrates with TradingView for advanced charting and analysis. All of their accounts have a minimum deposit of $200 and support leverage up to 1 to 500. They also allow micro-lot trading, hedging, and automated trading strategies. Additionally, IC Markets provides swap-free Islamic accounts on both the standard and raw spread account types, ensuring compliance with Islamic finance principles. The broker also offers a free unlimited demo account that replicates the conditions of their live accounts. Traders can practice strategies, test expert advisors, and explore their platforms without any financial risk. Demo accounts come with virtual funds, and there is no time limit to the number you can open, making it easy to experiment with different strategies or platforms before moving on to live trading. Creating an account with IC Markets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, click on the Start Trading button. Next, you'll want to fill out your personal information, such as your country of residence, name, email address, as well as your mobile number. After which, you will be redirected to the IC Markets client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, view your deposit and withdrawals, view social trading, insights, contact support, and much more. Keep in mind that in order to create a live account, you will need to submit and verify your personal information, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have created your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with IC Markets. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch and browse through all of the broker's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, indicators, and drawing tools that you can use to customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's trading platforms, IC Markets provides a wide variety of articles, and platform video tutorials to help you with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. IC Markets offers a wide range of deposit and withdrawal options to suit traders globally. You can fund your account instantly and without fees using methods like credit and debit cards, PayPal, Neteller, Skrill, UnionPay, and FazaPay, among others. Withdrawals are processed free of charge, with funds typically reaching your account within 3 to 5 business days, depending on the method used. It's important to note that IC Markets does not accept third-party payments. All deposits and withdrawals must be made from the accounts in your name to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources tailored for traders at all levels. Their offerings include step-by-step video tutorials covering platform setups, order placements, and integrations with tools like TradingView. For real-time market insights, Web TV delivers daily commentary and trade ideas directly from the New York Stock Exchange in partnership with Trading Central. Additionally, IC Markets hosts live webinars led by industry experts, focusing on various trading strategies and market analysis. These resources are designed to enhance the trader's understanding and skills, ensuring they are well equipped to navigate the financial markets. IC Markets also provides a comprehensive suite of market insights to support traders in their decision-making. Their official blog features daily updates, including Forex news, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and general market analysis. These resources offer timely information on global economic events, central bank policies, and market trends. For instance, recent analysis have covered topics such as Asian markets movements ahead of US data releases and in-depth forecasts for European and Asian markets. Additionally, the broker offers an economic calendar, allowing traders to stay informed about upcoming global economic events and their political impact on the markets. Whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor, the broker's news and analysis tools provide valuable information to help you navigate the financial markets effectively. Over the years in service, IC Markets has received multiple industry recognitions, reflecting its commitment to excellence in online trading. Most recently, it was named the Best Forex and CFD Broker in APAC 2024 at the TradingView Broker Awards, highlighting its superior trading conditions and services in the Asian Pacific region. Additionally, the broker's podcast series, I See Your Trade, produced with Bloomberg Media Studios, has been recognized for branded business show and advertising at the Signal Awards and ranked among Spotify's top 25 most shared podcasts. These awards showcase the broker's dedication to innovation, client satisfaction, and industry leadership, reinforcing its reputation as a trusted broker worldwide. Overall, IC Markets stands out as a premier choice for traders seeking a combination of advanced technology, competitive pricing, and comprehensive support. With its tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips, raw pricing, and leverage up to 1 to 500, it caters to both retail and institutional traders, including those focused on algorithmic and high-frequency trading. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments, all accessible through robust platforms like MetaTrader 4, 5, CTrader, and TradingView. Their commitment to regulation and security is evident through its licenses with reputable authorities such as the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Seychelles Financial Services Authority, and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. For traders looking to enhance their skills, the broker provides a wealth of educational resources, including video tutorials, webinars, and market analysis, ensuring that both beginners and experienced traders have the tools they need to succeed. The broker's customer support is available 24/7, offering assistance through various channels to address any queries or concerns promptly. Recognized for its excellence, the broker has received various accolades, underscoring its dedication to providing top-tier services to its clients. Whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor, IC Markets offers a comprehensive and secure trading environment to help you achieve your financial goals. And that is our overview of IC Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.